Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this episode we are going to start to look more into our settings for Alpha One Crypto Trader at Crypto Hopper. And this is basically an update video how things looks like. And yes, I'm in Brazil, I'm a Norwegian, but I never thought that being in Brazil I would be more cold than I am in Norway. It's super weird. So yes, I'm sitting here with all these clothes inside. It's crazy. But yeah, enough with that. Let's take a look at how things looks like here now. So as you can see, we have a little drawdown on some of the pairs. Also, I did add a little more money, so we have a balance now at current running balance is a little below 1100, but the real balance is 1107. That means we are currently down around $12. But things are going good, all in all. We did jump out of a couple of trades yesterday. Our TRX trade, we did get out of that one. It was a $63 trade. We made 1.3% profit. We can take a look at it here. So here is basically how it looks like the trade. And also this Atom, we did get out of this one just also yesterday. So the thing is that our new setting is working a little better. The new trades we're taking are much more accurate. Basically, we did just turn from a 30-minute timeline over to 1 minute, 1 hour. I'm going to check a little if maybe can even be better if we turn it over to 4 hour, just so our accurate is better. Because yes, less trades, but if they are more accurate, maybe we can change our percent. Now we're taking just 1%. I will going to play a little with the back test later today to see if we can take like 3-4% if we take it on 4 hour. Because if that's the case, we'll make more money and we maybe go out of the trades much faster. So that's something I will look a little into going forward. I will of course update you if I do changes. So basically we're running everything on 1 hour today. Of course I can go to the configuration if you are new here right now. So the exchange, I'm using KuCoin. You find a link below the video if you want to use KuCoin yourself. And also if you want to sign up with Crypto Hopper and get 7 days for free, you find a link below the video for that also. And you can check out the link you see up there also. I put it up there now. And notification, it's quite nice to have that, but I don't need it. I don't need notification every time something happens, so I have turned that off. This is my buy settings. Basically, max percent open per coin I put to 7. I think that's fair enough. I don't want to go in more for each one. And I put a cooldown. I think that's also okay. Just a small cooldown if it's a big move. I don't want to jump into trade right away. Here basically I put 1.5% to buy amount. So it's set to be around 16%, no, $16 for me. This of course did go up now as they put in more money. The strategy, I will use multiple TIA factor. That's the one I'm going to check a little. I found this two to be more correct when you use on the 1 hour. I just use the basic settings. If you have an idea about maybe change something of this that will make it better, tell me, put in the comments below the video. I'm thinking about trying to put to 4 hour because there's a big difference between 30 minutes and 1 hour about how long we stay in the trades. So that's something I will check out. If I take it to the 4 hour, I will check out how it looks like if I change, for example, to 4 or 5% take profit instead, because that will make a big difference for the profit we are making in the long run. Trading by stop, I don't use it. I am going to check that also. Same with the sell setting here, like I said, and maybe I'll change to a higher percent here that I want to go in out as fast as possible. So that's why I did put at 1%, but if I see 4 or 5% can go in out more or less the same fast, then I change for that. Easy, not even a question. Sell strategy, I don't use that, and I don't think I will use that, because if you do use that, you're basically also setting more like a stop loss, because that means if the strategy tell you to buy when you have a sale, understand? That means how you can say, you can sell in minus, and I don't want that. I don't see any reason for that, because we want to hold our crypto, because crypto typically go up in value over time. So I rather want to just hold till I get out of it. That's why I buy in more times in different type of stages. So every time I go 10% minus, I'd go in one more time. So in that way, I always going in a little more, I get a little better price. I am thinking about to use martingale, but that makes it a little more risky, I feel. I don't know if I want to do that, but I'm going to think about it. I'm going to backtest it and check if it's better. Stop loss, we are not using that, and I don't think I will use that. Not to talk about crypto, I see no reason for it. I have chosen only the best altcoins. I did go to CoinMarketCap and I chose the ones that are traded the most, just so I don't take it. I know there are certain altcoins that you can get like 20% in a day, right? Easy. I don't want that, because they also can jump 20% in minus. These ones are more safe, or they are more traded. Okay. Trailing stop loss, we are not using that because we don't use stop loss. Auto close, I see no reason to use that. Short settings, I don't want to use that either, because I want to hold to crypto, I don't want to short it. And dollar cost average, that's something I will check a little. Maybe don't do 2, maybe use 1.5 for example. I'm going to play a little with it. So there are certain things I still are going to play a little more, so we can get in out faster of the trades. Because I want to make, my plan is to make around $100 a day. Of course, we need to reach $1 first. We are not there yet. First of all, my plan is to cover basically the cost we have of the robot is like $19 a month I pay. After the 7 days, the cheapest one is around $19. I need to make more than that first. Then of course my end target is to reach around $100, just save money every single day. That's something I think will be nice. So that's basically the update. I'm still working on it. I love this robot. I love the idea of have a robot that is trading 24/7. Forex, I'm working on that also now. It's a little different because there is basically just 5 days a week, right? But with crypto it's non-stop, so I love that. So if you want to copy what I'm doing, make sure you join with the links below with the video, and I see you on the next video. Have an amazing day.